Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers, I am Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. Today we will talk about search engine optimization. We normally talk about it in our daily life, but today let's understand its exact meaning in detail. Search engine optimization is the combination of two words, search engine and optimization. A search engine is a software system that collects information from the World Wide Web, which we normally call www. There are a million of informational resources and thousands of websites full of information and knowledge. So, to find that data, to gather that data for us, search engine system has been created. Optimization is to use resources or situations perfectly in our advantage. For example, if we have a website related to our business, we surely want to show ourselves on top ranking in all search engines. So, in this scenario, we use search engines to our advantage. Let's understand difference between types and techniques of SEO. There are two types and two techniques of SEO. These are different things, but we normally put them in same category. Let's understand the difference. Techniques of SEO. The way of doing anything is called a technique, whether it is right or wrong. That's why black hat or grey hat and white hat SEO are the techniques of SEO. And types of SEO. On page SEO and off page SEO are the types of search engine optimization. That optimization which we do on our website, web pages, blog post, or any post, or you could say that optimization which is in our hands to control is on page, while off page means that optimization which we do for our website on other websites and servers like social media accounts is called off page. Techniques. On page SEO techniques are HTML optimization, content optimization, keyword rich content, URL optimization, image optimization, and all the other technical aspects of the website. Off page SEO techniques are backlinks, domain authority, social links, and forum submissions. Thanks for watching, viewers. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.